lawnmower's engine with my friends. It's an old lawnmower.
Oh, that's cool. Watch out. Yeah, I need to bolt this back in so I can do it better.
What is this? Taking apart like everything. It's the thing, if you spin it,
I'll get it.
the cylinder,
And the valves.
the cylinder moves.
I want to take it apart to see the valve or the cams.
Yeah. I wanna like take apart like the whole thing.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna.
Daniel, can you pull the handle up there?
We're gonna take apart the whole thing.
Wait, can we unbolt these? And these. Everything.
I'm trying to figure out how we would take it apart to look at other stuff.
You can take apart a lot of this stuff.
Daniel, can you pull that again? Compression. Bang!
That's too
Daniel,
big.
hold it.
That's too big.
Hang on.
Hold the thing.
Daniel, go back.
Wait.
Fuel intake.
Wait, fuel intake.
Air intake.
Sorry.
Wait, hold on. Air intake. Air intake compression.
Wait, what?
Bang! Exhaust. Air intake.
Can we just take this apart or something?
Sorry, lost it.
Daniel, hold it. I'm gonna try and spin it really fast.
No, we're trying to.
No, hold it. Hold it. Hold on. Hold it.
I'll just hold it.
It could hurt if I get myself wrong. Okay, what up? I'll drop. You can just end it and then we'll do another one. I have another video when I put stuff back on.
Okay, this is part one. Part one is done.